Ever found yourself entwined in a relationship where joy seems to have taken a permanent vacation, yet you feel stuck, unable to leave? Well, this is a conundrum many face, and today we delve into this intricate labyrinth to find a way out. Life, in all its glory, is a blend of experiences, some pleasant, others not so much. Relationships, one of the most profound human experiences, often mirror this complexity. But what happens when a relationship, initially painted with hues of happiness, gradually turns into a monochrome of unhappiness? In such situations, the first step is to acknowledge the issue. Denying your feelings or suppressing your emotions will only deepen the wound. It's essential to be honest with yourself, to understand that it's okay to feel unhappy and that it's normal to desire an exit from an unsatisfying relationship. The second step involves effective communication. Express your feelings to your partner. It's possible they're oblivious to your discomfort, or maybe they are grappling with similar feelings. Open, honest conversation can often illuminate the path to resolution. Remember, it's not about allocating blame but finding a solution. However, if communication doesn't lead to a resolution, or if it's not an option due to the nature of the relationship, it's time to seek professional help. Counselors and therapists can provide you with tools to navigate your emotions and offer advice tailored to your situation. In some cases, you might realize that the best course of action is to leave the relationship. This decision is never easy, and the path leading to it is often laden with guilt and fear. But remember, it's crucial to prioritize your mental health and emotional well-being. Taking this step involves planning. You need to consider the practical aspects, such as financial stability and living arrangements. Reach out to your support system. Friends, family, or even support groups can provide invaluable help during this transition phase. Finally, remember to be patient with yourself. Healing takes time, and it's okay to feel a whirlwind of emotions. You're not alone, and there's a whole world waiting for you on the other side, full of opportunities for happiness and growth. To summarize, acknowledge your feelings, communicate effectively, seek professional help if necessary, plan your exit strategy, and be patient with yourself. It's not an easy journey, but it's one that leads to self-love, self-respect, and ultimately, to a happier you. Remember, your happiness matters. You deserve to be in a relationship that brings you joy, not one that drains it. So take the steps necessary to ensure your well-being. It's a journey worth embarking on, a journey towards a brighter, happier future.